Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing a Riverstone soap after the name of the fragrance. So we are using Riverstone fragrance oil from Crafter's Choice. We are using 3 colors. We will do black, which is activated charcoal. For the blue one, I'm using some neon blue and ultramarine blue pigment. And for the green one, I will use this green mica from Nurture Soap. It's called Synergy. So I will go ahead, I will pause you for now. I have here the big picture that will have the 3 colors mixed in, and then we have this one for the piping. I will mix the colors into the oils and prepare everything, and I'll bring you in when we're ready to mix. So we are backing in after I mixed all the colors. So these are the colors mixed. I'll bring in the batter. So this has all the additives as well. So we have all the oils: cocoa butter, shea butter, olive oil, castor oil, and coconut oil. We have some coconut milk. We have some aloe vera juice, and also we have colloidal oatmeal and kaolin clay. So now that we have the batter ready, mixed up, we will divide those into 3, and based on the thickness of the batter and how it behaves, I will decide either I will go with a drop swirl or hanger swirl or in the pot swirl. Honestly, like these kind of things, we decide them on the spot. So this is emulsified, we don't need to stick blend it more. I'll just eyeball it. I'm not going with any measurements. I want to make sure that I have the 3 colors in. And that's it. So this portion will be, I guess, blue. Let me get the other spatula. I have a color spatula. To make sure that the color is well dispersed, I mix it well with the small stick blender, but still want to make sure that we have everything well dispersed. I usually take off some of the oils from my batter measurements because I notice that the more oil I disperse the mica, the better the color mixes in. That's it. So we have the 3 colors here. This is the green and then the black. And then after I mix them out well, I'll be adding the fragrance. So I guess I'll just speed up the video a little bit of me mixing the colors in, then adding the fragrance until we move into the pour. No racing, no acceleration. I don't see any problems with the fragrance. That's a good one. This is better, so let's start pouring the soap. We did blue, green, and then black. So wait, as you can see, the batter was in good consistency for a hanger swirl, so that's what we did. And now we're gonna tap it more and we will come back to pipe the soap. So as I said, I did stick blend the whole piping portion, and then I put the three colors. So we have the blue here, the green, and the black supposedly, but it turned gray. So the reason I have different colors than this one is because the amount of colorant wasn't enough. But I didn't want to mix additional, so I just kept it as it is. It's still, the contrast is there. So what I will do, I will put them on this part. Now they're not thick enough for a piping, but I will still put them now. So I will basically put the three colors next to each other, wait on them until they thicken enough to roll them, and then put them into the piping bag. And I cut this from here, and then it will pipe it. So I will not keep you all the way while we wait for this to set up and everything. I'll just bring you in later on and you will understand what happened. So as you can see, this is ready to be entered into the piping bag. That's what I was talking about. It's thick enough that it's not like runny, but at the same time we want to put it in a way to pipe it up or pipe it. Okay, so what I will do, I will cut this with the scissor, and this is the tip I'm using for this project. Okay. So this part is cut, so this part here will should be good to go. And here we go, that's the bag. So now as we pipe, eventually I should have the three colors coming out. Maybe in the beginning it's mostly two, now the third came out and I can see it. You see it? I guess you do. So a second layer. And then the last one. And that's it. this is our project for today. Riverstone Soap by Morfosoaps, ladies and gentlemen. This will be cut tomorrow. See you. Hello again. So this is the next day and we're cutting the soap. That's the Riverstone Soap. And here we are. This is the inside of the bar. Looks nice. The swirls are nice. And that's it. I'll see you again next week. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, and keep positive. Bye for now.